To start with, we're going to be making the body of the rabbit. For that, we need 2 strips of any color of paper that you want. And now let's make the body. So first, you have to take this, you have to put it like this. And then you need to take the clip. And you need to glue it. Right here. Now you have to fold it like this. And you have to fold it like this. Now we have to glue it here. As you see, we have extra, so we need to cut it. Look! Now we're going to be making the bunny's face. For that, we need 1 circle to make the face. There. This is how I made the face. Now, we need to Sharpie it. And we need to make some blush. Like this. Now let's make the ears. For that, I'm going to be using pink for the outer ear and black for the inner ear. First, let's make the outer ear. First, you have to fold the paper. And now, draw the ear. There, see? Now we have to cut it out. There. This is how it looks, see? You need 1 more of these, so in total 2. See? Now, let's make the inner ear. For that, I'm going to be using black. Oh wow, it flamed from me. But this is how it looks, see? You need 1 more of these as well. See? So in total, 2. Now let's take the ears, the outer ear, and glue the inner ear inside of it. There. This is how it should look. See? You have to do the same with the other one. Like that. See? You have to fold the other one as well. Like that. let's stick it. Now, let's make the paws. For that, we need a paper. I'll be using pink. And then, I'm gonna take my finger. I'm gonna trace it. See? Now, I'm gonna cut it out. See? Now we're gonna take our pencil and we're gonna like kind of shade it, the ends only, like this. Well, like right here. Well, we're not gonna shade this part. Now we have to take a Sharpie and we have to make some lines for the paws. We need 3 lines. See? Now we need 3 more of these, so in total 4. See? See? Now, let's assemble it. So, first I can take the body, well, the head, and attach it to the body. See? So, there are 2 ways to do this. You can take a paper strip, you can glue, and then you just put it like this, and then you just attach that. How it looks in the back, see? There's also a second method. You're gonna use hot glue for that. Put 1 dot of hot glue and there we're gonna stick the head. And now you're gonna hold it so it stays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ta-da! Look! Look! Now, let's attach the paws. Look at it. Isn't it so cute? Ooh. Look how adorable it is. 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4. 5 jump, 6 jump, 7 jump, more. Look at this one too. It's saying hi. Are you guys best friends? That was amazing. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.